Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I wanted to do a little kind of mock spread in my Print Pression B6 spiral planner. It is a beautiful planner. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I have the planner piece cover. I've decorated it a little bit, and I wanted to do a quick little mock spread using one of our mini kits. This one is Flying Elephant. It is still available in the shop. With me today, I just have the mini kit plus the glitter headers. I probably will pull in some foil as well. I'm not going to do bougie style. I'm just going to kind of like go with the flow and kind of just play around. But actually, I'm going to kind of do in the middle so that it's even on the pages. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to do a full complete voiceover of this part just because it is a mock plan with me, so there's no real plans to talk about, but all the stickers that I use from this plan with me are from my shop. I am using gold foil and the Flying Elephant kit. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the beginning. I filmed this a little bit ago, but I am just kind of planning in this how I would if I did use this for my functional planning or something like that. I also think this is a really cute memory keeping size. I know my friend Amanda is going to be switching to a B6 for her memory planner because she had been using that not this year but last year, so she really loves the size. And especially when you're trying to fill up those days, if you're having trouble with that, maybe consider B6 for a size that has enough space to be able to decorate but has a little bit less space for needing to fill it up. So I did really like the bottom washi look, so I did try and mimic that on the bottom here by taking the 15mm strips and putting those on the smaller part of the washi and then cutting it in half. This design is actually going to be our new magic design, which will be coming to the shop in a few weeks. Our old one has retired and this one will be available very soon. I'm very excited. I have a couple more new designs coming for you guys. And yeah, so basically for this, I didn't do kind of like in my regular, A5 wide. I do a very grid style where everything's very, straight lines as far as the full boxes and the glitter headers. This I really wanted to experiment and kind of play around, and I think it ended up looking really, really pretty. So I hope that you guys like it, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. So you could totally finish off this spread with some script or just fill it in with pen, but I really love the way it turned out. Again, this is a planner, a spiral planner from Kane at Printpression, and it is so pretty. And this was made with a mini kit and some foil basically. So I hope that you guys like this video. Let me know if there's any other planners you'd like to see me use Scribble Prints Co stickers in and try and see kind of how it would look in the comments down below, because this is actually really fun and something different to do. So would love to do something like this more. I hope that you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!